All right, everyone, it's Kelly Donahue Piro here with another round of your 3-minute videos. And this week we're focusing in on the 8 ways agencies make money. Now, last week we did the first 4. This week we're wrapping it up. So we're on number 7, which is agency fees. Now, don't stop listening right now because everyone has this opinion, this judgment on agency fees. Mainly because maybe when you take a new piece of commercial business and you see a fee, you kind of get sick to your stomach of what are they doing? I want to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly on agency fees. First things first, we cannot be everything to everyone. And so in many times in commercial lines, there are very small commercial lines policies that honestly don't make sense to write. So depending on the threshold of the amount of revenue for the producer and for everybody who's going to touch that policy, you may be upside down pretty quick. Now, the pushback I always get is, well, what if it leads to a referral? What if they grow? I get all that. And an agency fee makes it profitable and not a lottery ticket. When you tell me what if, it's a lottery ticket. It's not a guarantee. And I don't want to have an agency lose money on hard work that they're doing under the guise of a lottery ticket. And I also want to put some onus on all of us as sales professionals to get the personal lines, get the other files, so we don't have to fee the file. Now, here's the reality. Every state's fees run differently, so I'm talking very generally here. So here's the thing. Either you get the other policies because we should be sales professionals, personal lines, life, whatever it is, or we have to walk away from it, or we may have to fee the file. Now, just putting this into perspective, okay? I just want to say that you have 1,000 commercial lines customers, and I'm grabbing my calculator because me and math don't do well. I grew up in the generation where calculators became a hot ticket item. So say we have 1,000 commercial lines policies. I'm just going to go policies. And say we put a small $50 fee on every policy at renewal. Guys, that's $50,000. That would pay for a producer. So don't judge fees. They don't have to be astronomical. They can sometimes be small to really add up. So if your agency is looking for ways to invest, maybe have us come on board, maybe get a producer, maybe you make a little bit more money for yourself. Fees are not a hard situation to think about once you get your head around it. Now, there's different types of fees. Some people say we have to fee it up to a certain revenue for the agency. Some people say it's a flat fee. Again, that is your decision. But fees are a great way to keep hitting those numbers that you need. And ultimately, I don't recommend that you judge it. Everywhere you go, there is a fee. When you go buy a car, there's a policy doc fee. When you go get a mortgage, there's a fee. There's fees everywhere. You just have to decide how to use them tastefully for your agency. And if you've walked around your agency judging fees, great news. If you roll this out, lo and behold, people will judge it too. And so you have to do some backpedaling. But just think about if you took that money and you invested it in a savings account to get a new producer, that would pay you back tenfold. And it also allows your producer to get some extra runway and make profitable accounts and not just go ahead and put anything on the books because they need a sale. You see where I'm going with all this? I'm not saying every agency needs to charge fees. I'm saying we shouldn't judge them. And tomorrow is one that's my personal favorite. The last one, the 8th way agencies make money. Now remember, we have new business, we have retention, coverage increases, cross-selling, carrier management, expense management, fees, and the last one is firing unprofitable customers. Because that's a great way to free up our time so that we can go cross-sell and do all those other things that make us a lot more money. If you like this video, make sure to like it, comment, or share it. That's how we get the word out about our services and our programs. So if you found that this series to be valuable, make sure you watch it with your team. Make sure you share it with associations, your carriers. We appreciate it. That's how we help keep getting this content out to you. Hey everyone, you might have seen that we're launching our latest course, which is how to plan and execute your agency's roadmap to success. And what a great time to do it, as we all should be focused on end of year planning and looking at next year. Well, I want to let you in a little secret. We're doing our first ever pre-sale, which means that from October 4th through October 11th of 2021, you can get it at our most discounted rate before it's even ready. That means that during this time frame, you can get it for $395, where during our launch, it'll go up to $495. And then after that, it goes up to $995. So if you're at all interested, we recommend you lock it in now. You can buy it between the 4th and the 11th of October, and then on the 15th, it'll be automatically available to you. So we just want to get a few people in the hopper that are super excited, clear it off your to-do list. And this course is going to be amazing. The workbook is outstanding. It will literally let you unplug from your agency, sit down and clarify your vision, what's working. We even have management system report guides so that you can pull data from AMS 360, Hawksoft, and Epic and know what you're looking at. We're going to have your team get a little engaged with getting some feedback from them. And then we're going to tie it all together with incentives, a clear way to roll out your vision, and how to hold your team accountable to that vision all through 2022 and beyond if you lather, rinse, repeat this process. This is a huge opportunity. And I know for so many agencies, we struggle sometimes with end of year planning, or we make our plan, but we don't communicate it with the team. Or we make our plan and we communicate with the team once, and then that's the end. So all I want you guys to do is to think about it. What could be better than having me walk you step by step through how to create your agency's success roadmap and then how to execute it and hold people accountable? For $395, it's worth it, but it's only available until October 11th, 2021. So don't wait. We'll see you soon.